everything you are seeing in your life, what can you think of? Hi guys, it's me Rainy Day as always. So today I'm going to show you how am I getting inspiration out of this green apple right here. And wait for it until at the end. See if you get any idea out of this video. So the process right now is me trying to make the picture that I just inserted in Procreate to be a screen option. So my dress will look like real apple, doesn't look like a picture that I draw. I know you guys might get confused or doubt how is the dress going to be like in the real life. So right now I'm going to transfer a real fabric that I downloaded on Google and insert it to her dress so you guys get to see what the fabric look like. So right now I'm going to put some organza fabric and giving you guys the idea of how the fabric look like. So it's gonna be really light fabric. So usually they always make like dress or something that is cover skirt. So I guess there will be people like me that when we actually color something or draw something, we change or we made up our mind later. So for this dress, her skirt, I'm going to change to be another darker color, just like the first color that I used. So I'm gonna delete that color of skirt out. So if you guys like this video, please click like, subscribe, or even comment under my video. Also, for those people who love challenging, share this video to your friend. You can even look front of you right now, finding some object that you can get inspiration out of it. Draw it on your own device or paper. Post it on your Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget the hashtag rainy day as always with all big capital. I'm going to check it out, and the top 5 picture I will post it on my next video. Thank you for watching this video.